No, wait, I'm going to tell you that just now. Right, so on page 199, we are talking about parallelograms and rhombus. So what do we know about those? We know that these two sides are parallel and equal. Right? So it will have two pairs of parallel and equal sides. Now, when we have to work out the perimeter, it's nice and easy. We just take all the sides, all four sides, and add them together. Right? Perimeter, we know, is right around. No, it's when we get to area that it's slightly more complicated. Now, the area of a parallelogram or a rhombus, can I say like that? Parallelogram, okay, and rhombus. Okay, so perimeter will be side plus side plus side. Meaning in this case it would be AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. There. Okay, we just go right around. Then when it gets to area, okay, you will see in your notes, the third one from the top, a parallelogram says area is equal to base times height. Now, that height, it must be the perpendicular height. And I'm not writing out the word, I'm showing it to you like that. Do you guys understand what I mean? It must be perpendicular height, meaning there must be a 90 degrees angle. So if you look at my sketch that I've got here, yes? Yeah. If you look at the sketch that I've got here, do we have a perpendicular height? No. Okay, so you can have height, it's usually in the corner here. Okay, and they will indicate it with the 90 degrees triangle. All right, remember I can show 90 degrees is here or it could be there. Same thing. It's still your perpendicular height. So this will then be your height. Yes. Yes. Which part? Okay, it must have a 90 degrees angle. It must be a perpendicular height. Okay, so meaning I can't take BC as my height because it hasn't got a 90 degrees angle. Yes. From C up, yes, that could work. That's what he just asked as well. If I have it from here to there, then that would also be, and obviously I've got to show there a 90 degrees angle. They could also, and you'll see that in the textbook as well, they could also give you the height over here. No? So as long as they indicate somewhere that there's a 90 degrees angle, then that will be your perpendicular height. Okay, now the equation says base times height. So obviously base must be at the bottom or at the top of that height. Okay, so if this is my height, then where would base be? This is going to be my base. Yeah, you could have, yeah. Why am I saying you could use it at the top as well? Because DC is the same as AB. So it doesn't matter whether you use the top one or the bottom one. Okay. All right. So if I were to substitute it in here, my base would have been DC or CD and then times the height. Any questions there? You guys good? Okay. So that would also be the same for a rhombus. Perimeter, we just go right around. If we've got to work out area, then we take base times perpendicular height. All right. Do you want to do an example of that, or is it okay? Can I skip? Can I skip? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. No. Thank you. Yes. Right. You guys done copying? Right. There we go. There's your sketch. I am not telling you what type of quadrilateral this is. How do we know what it is? Can you see I have got parallel sides? Okay, so we assume that it would be either a rhombus or a parallelogram. No? We don't know because the side, it must be a parallelogram because this side is 24 and that one is only 6. So it can't be a rhombus. So we are going to, yes. So we know that this is a parallelogram. So I am asking you to work out the perimeter and the area of the shape. Yes. Did you guys do this? Mateo, face the front, take a pencil or a pen and start doing. Huh? You were supposed to do it. You're supposed to do it, people. If you want, just give it a few seconds. I want everyone to finish first and then I'll ask who wants to stand up. Yeah. Yeah. Perpendicular height means that it's a height where we've got a 90 degrees angle. Right. Are you guys done? If you think you've got it, you can stand up. Okay. Shh, 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 shh. Okay.